Good morning everyone. You are welcome to this tutorial. My name is Peter J. Adaviruku. I am a GIS services provider. I provide services in installation, training, data acquisition, data integration, and data analysis. Today what you want to do, I want to introduce you to the interface of ArcMap, that is ArcGIS. We want to go for introduction to ArcMap interface. When I'm talking of ArcMap, is that when you open your ArcMap, this is what the interface looks like. The interface has different bar. The first one here is called menu bar. This one is button bar. This one is toolbar. However, this bar also depends on the way you arrange it, because when you install your software, you enable some tools depending on you. So this one is a data view, and this is table of contents, and this is a status bar. Now let's go back to our ArcMap interface. So the interface is like this. As I showed you earlier, this is the menu bar. In menu bar, there are menus like file, edit, view, bookmark, insert, selection, geoprocessing, customize, window, and help. These bars called menu bar, they have different sub bar under them. When you open them, there are many things you can do under each of these. For example, let's say you want to run a process called clip. If you want to clip your data, clip out your study area, you come to geoprocessing, this menu called geoprocessing, and carry out that exercise. And the second one is a toolbar. These are tools. The arrangement depends on you. If you want to enable a tool, you just right click here and you enable any tool of your choice, or you disable by check and uncheck. So the toolbar enable you to carry out a lot of activities. For example, this is Arc Toolbox. In this Arc Toolbox, we have a whole lot of tools for spatial analysis. So that one is Arc Toolbox in toolbar. And if you look at this button bar, in button bar, this is depending on how you arrange your buttons after installations. So button bar, a whole lot of things you can do. This is zoom to full extent, this is palm, this is zoom in, zoom out. These are button bar. Then we have the table of contents. The table of contents is here, and if you've not enabled it, you can just come back here and click here. For example, let's say it's not here now, you just come back here and enable it here, it will show here. The table of contents shows every data you have imported into, for example, into ArcMap. For example, let's add a data into the into ArcMap and see how it will show. Let's say we choose this and say add. When you add, automatically in table of contents, what you just added will display here. We display what the name of what you added. Then this one, data view. The data view is the one that shows the data you've just added. In this case, the data we just added is this, and it's displaying now here. This is the data view, where you can view all the data you've added. So as I said earlier on, in this toolbar, for example, in toolbar we have Arc Toolbox. These are different tools. For example, when you want to do some spatial analysis, these are tools for them. Let's say you want to do, for example, you are working on groundwater, the tools are here to carry out all your analysis. Let's say you are working on hydrology, these are tools for hydrology. A whole lot of tools are here, and all these tools is in Arc Toolbox and is located in your toolbar. This is the interface of ArcMap. And once again, remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.